Let me tell you something most people don't realize. If you don't have $1,000 saved, you're not bad with money. You're just one emergency away from financial chaos. And today, I'm going to show you how to build your first $1,000, even if you feel broke right now. So let's be real. Most people don't go broke because they buy a mansion. They go broke because life hits them with something small. A flat tire, a car repair, a dentist bill, a broken phone, and suddenly, you're stressed, you're borrowing money, you're using a credit card, and you're stuck in a cycle. Here's the part nobody tells you. It's not the emergency that ruins you. It's the fact that you weren't prepared for it. And that's why your first goal is not investing. Your first goal is survival. A $1,000 emergency fund is like a shield. It doesn't make you rich, but it stops you from going broke. Now let's make it simple. An emergency fund is money you save for real emergencies only, not for shopping, not for vacations, not for birthdays, only for life happens moments. Because when you have $1,000 saved, you stop panicking. You stop making desperate decisions. You stop using credit cards like life support, and you finally feel in control. Now, let's talk about how to actually build it, and I'm going to give you 5 simple tips with real examples so you can start today. Tip 1. Start with a smaller target. Most people fail because they start with, I need $1,000, and their brain goes, yeah, not happening. So start with $100 first, then $250, then $500, then $1,000. Saving money is like going to the gym. You don't lift 200 pounds on day 1. You start small, and you build the habit. Even saving $5 a day gets you to $100 in just 20 days. And once you hit $100, something changes. You start believing you can do it. Tip 2. Find your silent money leaks. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a leaking problem. Money leaks are small things you spend on without even noticing. Subscriptions you forgot, random snacks, small online orders, food delivery fees. Here's a quick example. If you cancel just 2 subscriptions, that could be $27 a month. That's $324 a year. That's almost 1/3 of your $1,000 emergency fund, and you didn't even have to work more. You just stopped the leak. Tip 3. Use the 1-week challenge. This is one of my favorite tricks. For 7 days, no extra spending, no snacks, no delivery, no shopping, just essentials, gas, groceries, bills. That's it, and whatever you saved. Put it straight into your emergency fund, because it's not about being perfect. It's about proving to yourself that you're in control. If you normally spend $8 a day on random stuff, that's $56 saved in 1 week. Do this just 2 weeks per month, and you'll save over $100 without feeling like you're suffering. Tip 4. Automate your savings. Here's the truth. Motivation is fake. Some days you feel disciplined. Other days you feel tired. So don't depend on willpower. Depend on automation. Set up an automatic transfer, even $25 per week, or even $10. Consistency is the magic, because $25 per week is $100 a month, and in 10 months, you're at $1,000. You didn't try harder. You just built a system. Tip 5. Use extra money only. This is how you build your emergency fund faster. Whenever you get extra money, use it. Cashback rewards, tax refunds, a gift, or selling old stuff. And this works better than you think. Sell 5 unused items. Old shoes, a jacket, a chair, a gaming controller, a headphone. You'd be shocked how fast you can make $150 to $300. And that's a huge chunk of your $1,000 goal. Now let me give you 2 common mistakes people make, because if you avoid these, you'll hit $1,000 way faster. Mistake 1. Calling everything an emergency. A sale is not an emergency. A vacation is not an emergency. A new phone because yours is a little slow is not an emergency. Emergencies are things like a car repair, a medical bill, a broken phone when you truly need it for work, a rent issue, real life stuff. If you treat your emergency fund like fun money, it will never grow. Mistake 2. Investing before you're ready. A lot of beginners want to invest right away, and I get it. It feels exciting, but if you don't have $1,000 saved, you're going to end up pulling money out of your investments the moment life hits. And that's how people lose money. So build the $1,000 shield first, then start investing. And here's the best part. You don't need to be rich to save $1,000. You just need a plan, because $1,000 is not just money. It's peace. It's less stress. It's confidence. It's control. And once you save your first $1,000, saving the next one gets easier. So start today. Even if it's just $5. Small steps build stability, and stability builds real wealth. If you found this helpful, comment your first goal. Is it $100, $500, or the full $1,000? And follow for more simple money rules that actually work.